by the Almighty and ancestors, Yemaya, my earthly mother. Traditionally, in Yoruba culture, we begin our ceremonies by doing a libation, an offering, in this case to our ancestors. And so I'm going to be doing the ritual, and what I will be doing is asking for all our elders and all our ancestors to bless us today and begin the ceremony. I will be mentioning all the countries that I can remember where the African slave trade brought our people, so that all our ancestors in the diaspora will be praised in this ritual. So when you hear the countries, particularly that of your native birth, you can respond by saying Ashe, which means so be it, or Amen. Thank you. Mojubo mijale que ibae que su bendición siempre me alcance. Mojuba, bobo egun de África. Mojuba, bobo egun de Cuba. Mojuba, bobo egun de Puerto Rico. Mojuba, bobo egun de Haití. Mojuba, bobo egun de Santo Domingo. Mojuba, bobo egun de Panamá. Mojuba, bobo egun de Venezuela. Mojuba, bobo egun de Colombia. Mojuba, bobo egun de San Tomás, San Cruz, Saint Martin, Nieves, todas las Islas Vírgenes, Mojuba. Mojuba, Mileri, Mojuba, bobo egun mi, Mojuba y Woro. Ashe.